to get inside, but I'm being blocked here. No, it's not going to work. Gotta go outside. Jammed here. I want to get over to the other side, but Annie's in the way, and there's a lot of bad air through there. I'm going to try it. Coming up the mark here. There's David right there. There's Mama right behind. The air clear, I'm out of a puff as well. Damn, there's Annie. We know there's wind coming with the EHA. Come on. Here we go. No overlap. Damn it. See if I get Annie here. I'll go right behind. This should work. Okay, I got boy room coming up, please. Okay, into fourth. Sean's in second. Good for you, Sean. Thank you. No. Yeah. Okay, Carrie, I got room coming up, please. Looks like a bunch of girls. This Paul and everybody else. Should be interesting. Sailing very well. I think he's got his own little breeze there. Paul's coming in for the kill. Some speed there. Sean's going backwards compared to Paul. The mark is just up here. 30 seconds to go. Oh, nice pressure. Nice pressure. This next leg is going to be interesting. See if I can hold back Paul for how long. He goes like a rocket upwind. There's a nice move right there. Coming in for room. Sean's not even looking. Looking upwind, I'll probably want to go left. Everyone is going left. Get Ellen here. Seems to be involved in the dead spot. Look at that. I feel like a big bully.
Oh, you big bully!
Tell Pam you forgive.
I'm gonna tell your wife.
No, tell Pam you forgive me.
I'm gonna tell your wife that your foot is at home.
Okay, this clip gets deleted. Okay.
Okay, watch the paw.
Watch out for Mary. Okay, this is tricky. I'm on port. There's David. Coming in. Straight to the mark. Thank you. Now this will be good. Taking off. Good shape. Okay, tacking. He'll point me here. Yeah.